fight. Ranji discovers a pool. Pool माने उन्हें पोखरी. In the forest and plunges into it for a swim. There is a serious trouble between him and someone else. Okay, over who has माने यार ऊपर over who has the right to the pool. कहारा right अच्छी pool पे अधिकार अच्छी कहारा कि pool actually डेमा करता चला a fight ensues है ना वो fight है ला the first round ends in a draw okay ताले तापर एटा draw है ला धीरे धीरे पढ़ो धीरे धीरे पढ़ो okay Ranji had been less than a month in Rajpur when he discovered the pool in the forest. Se ode pool dekhila. It was the height of summer. Height of summer mane pen ne garam achi kichhi asubidha achi ki? So it was the height of summer. Summer जोरदार थिला नहीं कि and his school had not yet opened and having has yet made no friends in this semi hill station okay and his school had not yet opened school open hai nahi pura okay and having as yet made no friends in this semi hill station and he was not having also, he was not creating any friends, no friends yet. Okay. He wandered about, chariot bulthila, a good deal by himself into the hills and forest that stretched away, okay, interminably on all sides of the town. Okay, interminable माने साइड छड़ी all sides of the town कौन अच्छी hills and forests so he was wandering about a good deal okay everywhere it was hot very hot at that time of the year and Ranji walked about okay in his vest and a shorts vest कौन ये जो कौन trousers okay vest sorry vest आनिलो टिके डिक्शनरी टाइप गंजी vest माने गंजी okay vest and a shorts पिंथिला vest his brown feet white with the chalky dust. His brown feet white. As a brown feet, it was becoming white with the chalky dust. Dust was chalky, right? It is white, and flew up from the ground, right? The earth was parched. Okay, the grass brown. Earth was parched. Parched meaning, you know, parched means very hot and dry. Okay. Interminably लिखा है जी कौन endlessly. चारियाड थिला, है ना? जो तारा hill fill उड़ा चारियाड लंबी थिला, है? So the earth was parched, the grass brown, the trees listless, hardly stirring. They were not stirring. Stir माने कौन? हलिवा? Stir माने कौन? Stirring. Stir माने घाटिवा जो नहीं stir. So hardly stirring, right? Waiting for a cool wind or a refreshing shower of rain. Okay. So the earth was parched, very hot, the grass brown, the trees listless, hardly stirring. When I say the trees are not stirring, and everybody was waiting for a cool wind and a refreshing shower of rain. Everybody was waiting for a rain. Wait. It was on such a day, hot, tired day, that Ranji found the pool in the forest. So pool गोटे पाइला, हाँ? The पोखरी, हाँ? The छोटा पोखरी, है ना? The water had a gentle translucency. Okay, means clarity. That means clear, huh? And you could see the smooth round pebbles. Pebbles, छोटा गोड़ी, pebbles कौन? Godi. At the bottom of the pool, a small stream emerged from a cluster of rocks. Okay, stream gote asiji, hala, rocks through to feed the pool. सेठी की पानी आसुची, hala, सेठू पानी आसुची pool को. During the monsoon, this stream would be a gushing torrent. जोर रे पानी आसुथुव से बटे गसिंग टरेंट बुझी परछो हैं कोद रे मानसून नै माने रेनी डे रे रेनी सीजन रे कास्केडिंग डाउन फ्रॉम द हिल्स सो पडुथुव गोटे पर गोटे पडुथुव जिन झरणा हैं झरणा नै जिनती फॉल वाटरफॉल ओके ऑन द हिल बट ड्यूरिंग द समर इट वाज barely a trickle ठप ठप पडुछ barely a trickle. The rocks, however, held the water in the pool and it did not dry up like the pools in the plain. So, because the rocks held the water, so it did not dry up like the pools in the plains. In the plains, actually, the water is with the mud. Huh? Yes or no? It is, but here it is rocks, so they are kept like that. Okay. When Ranji saw the pool, he did not hesitate to get into it. Hala? माने से फसला था भीतर. He had often hesitated जानते तो? Okay. He had often gone swimming alone or with his friends. Okay. When he had lived with his parents in a thirsty town in the middle of a Rajputna desert. है ना? सेठी से जाइची बहुत तरता swimming करे. There he had known only sticky muddy pools. एटे गले खाली पंको sticky muddy pools, right? Where buffaloes wallowed and buffaloes माने गाधांती, हाँ? Okay, पौरंती and rolled about. Wallowed माने rolled about in mud. Wallowed, huh? Okay, and women washed clothes. Okay, he had never seen a pool like this, so clean and cold and inviting. Inviting माने से डाकुची, आसे हम मोदर कादे हूँ, है ना? He leapt into it. Leapt कार past tense, हाँ? आरो? Leap, आरो? माने डेइमा into the water. His limbs were supple. Okay, huh? Limbs were supple, free for any fat, and free of any fat. They were very flexible, right? Fat nahi setre, mane se patla pila, and his dark body glistened in the patches of sunlit water. So those sunlit water mane sunlight पड़िची ता देरे, okay? So सेइथिरे सेटा ता body is glistening, mane चक चक करची, glisten करची, okay?